How to log into your account on Wave. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in your account on Wave. Let's get started. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Wave. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. This is the official website of Wave, and here you can see this sign in option. Click on sign in and you'll be loaded to this login page. Here on this first field, type in your email address that you have used during sign up process. Now on the second field, type in your password. If you forgot your password, you can click on this forgot it and reset your password. If you have signed up using your Google account, you can click on the sign in with Google to directly log in from your Google. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up now and create a new account. If you're still having some problem, then click on this contact customer support to explain your issue. They'll review it and reply within 2 or 3 business days. After that, click on the sign in option to sign into your account. And this is how you log into your account on Wave. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.